Linking your Xfinity account to your Roku device.
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to link your Xfinity account to your Roku device. If you're an Xfinity subscriber and you want to enjoy your favorite Xfinity content on your Roku streaming device, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started.
Setting up your Roku device.
Before we begin linking your Xfinity account, let's make sure your Roku device is properly set up. If you haven't done so already, follow these steps. 1. Connect your Roku device to your TV using an HDMI cable. 2. Power on your Roku device and your TV. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Roku device to your Wi-Fi network. 4. Once your Roku device is connected to the internet, it will prompt you to activate it by visiting a website and entering a code. Now that your Roku device is set up, let's move on to linking your Xfinity account.
Linking your Xfinity account.
To link your Xfinity account to your Roku device, follow these steps. 1. On your Roku device, navigate to the Roku home screen using the Roku remote. 2. Scroll to the left and select the Streaming Channels option. 3. In the Roku Channel Store, search for the Xfinity Stream app. 4. Once you find the Xfinity Stream app, select it and choose the Add Channel option. 5. Wait for the Xfinity Stream app to be installed on your Roku device. 6. After installation, go back to the Roku home screen and open the Xfinity Stream app. 7. You will see an activation code displayed on your TV screen. 8. Take note of this activation code as you will need it to complete the linking process. Now, let's move on to the next step to finalize the linking process.
Activating Xfinity Stream on your Roku device.
To activate Xfinity Stream on your Roku device, follow these steps. 1. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and visit the activation website for Xfinity Stream. 2. Enter the activation code you noted down from your TV screen. 3. Sign in to your Xfinity account using your Xfinity username and password. 4. Once you've signed in, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your Xfinity account is now linked to your Roku device. Congratulations! You have successfully linked your Xfinity account to your Roku device. You can now enjoy a wide range of Xfinity content right on your Roku streaming device. That wraps up our tutorial on how to link your Xfinity account to your Roku device. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out to Xfinity customer support. Happy streaming!